Do you know in how many forms water exists in nature?
No, ma'am.
In nature, water exists in 3 forms. As a solid, it exists as ice caps at the poles, snow-covered mountains and glaciers. As a liquid, it is in the form of water in oceans, lakes and rivers, and underground water. Its gaseous form is the water vapor in the air around us. Now let's have a look at water cycle. Water cycle or hydrological cycle. The continuous cycling of water in nature that keeps the total amount of water on the earth constant is called water cycle. Processes involved in water cycle. The processes involved in the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, precipitation and infiltration. Evaporation. The process of conversion of water molecules into vapor is called evaporation. Water vapor collects in the sky in the form of clouds. Condensation. The process of conversion of water vapor into water by cooling is called condensation. Precipitation. Water falls from the sky in the form of rain, snow, hail, or sleet. This process is called precipitation. Infiltration. The process of seeping of water into the ground is known as infiltration. Aquifer. Sometimes, groundwater accumulates between layers of hard rock. This is known as an aquifer. Water in aquifers can be drawn with tube wells and hand pumps.